Imagine a world where the moon is no longer a distant, desolate rock in the night sky, but a vibrant home for thousands of people. In the year 2175, lunar cities shimmer beneath protective domes, their glowing towers and water gardens visible from orbit. These colonies are engineering marvels, with habitats carved into the regolith to shield against radiation, connected by maglev trains, and filled with the hum of advanced artificial intelligence. What began as scientific outposts have evolved into self-sufficient communities, boasting schools, hospitals, and cultural centers. Life here is a blend of the familiar and the extraordinary. Children play in reduced gravity parks, families gather for virtual reality dinners with relatives back on Earth, and everyone contributes to the delicate balance that keeps the colony thriving. The first generation of children born under the moon's gravity is radically different from any that preceded them. From birth, their bodies adapt to a world with gravity just 1/6 that of Earth. Their bones are lighter, their muscles are thinner, and their movements are more graceful, almost dance-like, as they leap smoothly across the lunar surface. Medical teams monitor their growth using advanced biosensors to ensure they receive customized exercise and nutrition to prevent the muscle atrophy and bone loss that early lunar settlers suffered. These children's cardiovascular systems are uniquely designed to manage fluid movement in the body, giving them a distinctive appearance. Fuller faces, brighter eyes, and a calm, balanced energy that sets them apart from their Earth-born cousins. Technology is woven into every aspect of lunar life, especially for these new children on the moon. Artificial intelligence companions serve as teachers, playmates, and health guardians, adapting lessons and games to each child's needs. Each home is equipped with environmental controls that automatically adjust oxygen, temperature, and humidity, while wearable nanotechnology monitors vital signs and delivers microdoses of medication or nutrients when needed. Education is immersive and hands-on. Children learn coding by programming their robotic pets, study biology by growing crops in vertical farms, and explore physics through hands-on experiments in low-gravity playgrounds. The line between learning and life blurs, creating a generation of creative, resilient problem solvers. Social life in lunar colonies is a fabric of old Earth traditions and new customs born of necessity. With limited space and resources, cooperation is not only encouraged, but essential. Children grow up in close-knit communities where every individual, human or AI, plays a vital role. Festivals celebrate the arrival of new supply ships or the successful harvest of hydroponic crops, and storytelling nights bring together settlers from diverse backgrounds to share Earth myths and tales of lunar adventures. Over time, unique lunar dialects have emerged, languages have intertwined, and new words have been invented for experiences previously unknown on Earth, such as dancing again, a favorite pastime of skipping through the dust in synchronized groups. The identities of moon children are complex and evolving. Many have never set foot on Earth, and their planet is a place of myth and memory, seen only in high-resolution holograms or during rare visits to adjust to gravity. These children feel a deep connection to the moon, seeing themselves as pioneers of a new branch of humanity. However, their ties to Earth remain strong through constant communication, virtual exchanges, and the sharing of arts, music, and science. The concept of families is being redefined, some biological, others formed through bonds with fellow colonists and AI mentors. Moon children are often cultural ambassadors, bridging the gap between Earth and the stars and forging a new and comprehensive vision of what it means to be human. Survival on the moon requires skills and awareness far beyond those of Earth children. Moon children are trained from an early age to monitor air quality, manage water recycling systems, and respond to emergencies such as micrometeoroid strikes or energy fluctuations. They participate in maintaining the colony's delicate life support systems, learn to grow food in nutrient-rich gels, and repair vital machinery. This hands-on education fosters a sense of responsibility and self-reliance. Each child understands the importance of teamwork and quick thinking, as any mistake can have devastating consequences for the colony. These survival skills, coupled with their technical proficiency, make the moon children uniquely equipped for life beyond Earth. The ambitions of these moon-born pioneers extend far beyond their domed cities. Inspired by tales of Martian explorers and asteroid miners, many dream of venturing deep into the solar system. Some train for missions to Mars or Europa, others design habitats for the asteroid belt, and some aspire to lead humanity's first expeditions to other star systems. Their upbringing, rooted in adaptability, innovation, and cross-cultural understanding, gives them the confidence to face the unknown. They see themselves not simply as lunar inhabitants, but as citizens of a vast, interconnected universe, ready to shape humanity's future among the stars. Looking to the future, the legacy of the first children born under the moon's gravity is profound. They are living proof of humanity's ability to adapt, evolve, and thrive in environments once considered impossible. Their lives inspire new philosophies, art forms, and groundbreaking scientific discoveries, challenging long-held assumptions about biology, society, and destiny. As they grow into leaders, explorers, and innovators, they redefine what it means to be human, not bound by one world, but able to thrive wherever imagination, courage, and community take root. The story of these lunar children has only just begun, and their journey promises to light the way for generations to come, both on the moon and across the universe.